Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedrian. Groundbreaking. Beres Hammond shares never ending with the world. Specially invited guests had a VIP experience to the momentous event at Broadcast House, which saw for the first time in radio history Jamaica's reggae station Hits 92 FM and VP Records hosting a live album listening party, partnering with radio stations worldwide to share music from Beres Hammond's latest album with his fans in Holland, the UK, Toronto, and the USA tri-state area.
First time ever live on radio, we're having an album launch in this unprecedented format. A radio simulcast, and it was orchestrated by our good friends from VP Records and your #1 station for reggae, Hits 92 FM.
Those in attendance and listening globally were treated to all 14 tracks from the album, which takes many back to the original sound and tempo of the king of reggae soul, was produced exclusively by Beres Hammond at his Harmony House studio.
Wonderful. He just happens to always, just going up and up and up.
A big deal businessman, and Father Beres, he's like the director of the board.
I'm just happy and I'm proud. I'm proud of him too, at the same time.
Beres, in his usual humble demeanor, had this to say about the lead singer from the album, I'm Alive.
Remember, you must live each day as it comes. Make the best of it. I am happy I'm alive. It's a beautiful thing to have life. And your health,
Hammond admitted to not knowing which tracks made the final cut.
I have nothing to do with it. After I finish making my songs, I just leave it to a group of people to choose. You do 30 songs and take 15 from them or 14, and then I just listen to what. Yeah.
Stephen Chin from the VP Records project management team spoke on VP's plans for the album.
I wanted to make sure that we cover his core audience, and we have to hit home first before he goes to, Miami next and New York to do his promo run with Billboard and Red Bull and everything.
VP Records Caribbean says the RJ Glina Group was the best platform to engage to promote reggae and dancehall music, especially for a legend like Beres Hammond. The aim was for an authentic delivery, and partnering with Hits 92 FM was most fitting. General Manager for Radio Services, Dr. Dennis Howard, spoke on the groundbreaking initiative.
This is a wonderful occasion. It's the getting together of the music industry and radio. And so this is the kind of collaboration that should be happening from day one in terms of everybody coming together to build the music industry.
Never Ending, which officially released today, is available across all digital platforms and at vpreggae.com. Get your copy of the album and enjoy. Now enjoy your Heroes Weekend as well. Lots to do as there is a National Heritage Week it starts and Port Royal Seafood Festival on Heroes Day. That's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching. Have a safe weekend.